Hi, my name is Caitlin and welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing my Canon RF80 f2 macro lens. I bought this used off KEH.com. I've used KEH.com for years, I think way before it even got super popular on YouTube and social media. But let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Very well protected. Oh, look! Oh my gosh, they've never done anything like that before. They sent it in this little KEH pouch. And then it has the name of it and the condition and everything. And it was in excellent condition, like I thought. Woo! What's great about this lens is it is a macro and also a telephoto lens. So I have just switched to my Canon R6. There's a video on that. If you want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. But I'm adding new lenses into my collection, so this is a 2-for-1 deal, and it has image stabilization. So actually, I just wanted to show you real quick what it looked like on my Canon R6. I have the R6, I don't have the R6 II. It's pretty bulky, but you know what, I honestly don't mind it. So happy I have this now. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.